Good afternoon, children. I'm your social teacher, Triveni. In the previous class, we discussed about globes, maps, difference between globe and map, what is the shape of that, what are the different signs and symbols that we will use on the globe, what are the different colors we will use to indicate the landforms. These and all we discussed. And what are the main directions, sub-directions, what is atlas, these and all we discuss. Now we are going to discuss about the second lesson, latitudes and longitudes. Okay, so in the previous chapter we observed the globe. If you observe the globe very clearly, a number of lines run from east to west or north to south. So here what runs? Number of lines runs from east to west, north to south. These are imaginary lines. These are imaginary lines. The axis is also, here you will have, if you observe this diagram, here you have an axis or pole. This is the pole. So northmost corner is called as North Pole and southmost corner is called as South Pole. This is South Pole and this is North Pole. So this is the North Pole. So this pole is an imaginary lines. Okay, children? So what we said, all the lines which are running, those are imaginary line, either from east to west or from north to south. These are imaginary lines. So the lines which run from east to west, so east, west, north, south, east to west, these lines are called as latitudes. The lines which run from east to west are called as latitudes. The lines which run from north to south, these are called as longitudes. These are called as longitudes. So these are latitudes and these are longitudes. Okay, children, is it clear which one is called as latitudes, which one is called as longitude? So the lines which run from east to west, horizontal lines, are called as latitudes. Vertical lines which will run from north to south, these are called as longitudes. Okay, now we are going to discuss about latitudes. So these latitudes are imaginary lines. These are not real. These are imaginary. So the lines which are running here, these are parallel to this 0-degree latitude. So these lines are parallel to this 0-degree latitudes. So this 0-degree latitude is also called as equator. What it is called? Equator. So this is the 0-degree latitude. This is called as equator. So these lines are called as parallels of latitudes. So these lines, so which are parallel to the equator, these are called as parallels of latitudes. The distance between one latitude to another latitude is equal. The difference between one latitude to another latitude is equal. Okay, children? So these are called as what? Parallels of latitudes. Parallels of latitudes. Okay. So the equator or 0-degree latitude divides the earth into two halves or two hemispheres. So this is the 0-degree latitude, or we can call it as equator. Okay, children. So here what I said, this one is 0 degree latitude, or we can call it as equator. This equator divides the earth into two halves or two hemisphere. This part is called as northern hemisphere. This one is called as southern hemisphere. So this part is called as northern hemisphere. This part is called as southern hemisphere. Okay. The parallels to the north of the equator. So these parallels are north of the equator. So here we will indicate with degrees north. So how we will indicate? 30 degrees north, or 60 degrees north, or 90 degrees. So the parallels to the north of the equator are indicated with degrees north. 30 degrees north, or 90 degrees north, or 60 degrees north. The parallels to the south of the equator. These are the parallels south of the equator. So these are south side, and these are parallel to the equator. So these are indicated with degrees, 30 degrees south, or 60 degrees south, or 90 degrees south. Okay children. So the parallels to the north of the equator are indicated with degrees north. Either it may be 30 degrees, 60 degrees, 90 degrees, or 45 degrees. So parallels to the south of the equator are indicated with 30 degrees south, or 60 degrees south, 90 degrees south, or 45 degrees south, etc. Okay. So here we have some special latitudes. Here we have some special latitudes. So what are those special latitudes? Tropic of Cancer, 23.5 degrees north. 23.5 degrees north. Tropic of Capricorn, 23.5 degrees south. Arctic circles, 66.5 degrees north. Antarctic circles, 66.5 degrees south. So these are the special latitudes we have. So just observe the parallels of latitude diagram. This is the latitudes. So here the middle one is called as equator or 0 degree latitude. These are the parallels of latitudes. These are parallels of latitudes. The distance between one latitude to another latitude is equal. So all these are parallel to the equator. All these parallels of latitudes are equal to the parallel to the, not equal, no, parallel to the equator. Okay, so here this is 90 degrees north. So here 90 degrees south. So this is the northmost corner is called as North Pole. Southmost corner is called as South Pole. Okay, so it will start from 0 degree and ends at near the pole it is 90 degrees. So near the South Pole is 90 degrees. Okay children, read the lesson till I taught the concept. Bye.